Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode in TikTok for the iPhone. This is very simple. There's two ways of doing it. The first way you can do it is just open up your TikTok app and then it'll probably take you to your home screen or something like this. You want to go to Profile on the bottom right hand corner, and then from here we're just going to go to the settings on the top right hand corner, these three little lines, and then down the bottom you'll see creator tools and settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy we can scroll down and it should be under content and activity. Right here is dark mode. So we can have the light theme or the dark theme, or we can use the device settings, which is what I tend to use, because there's another way we can do that using the device settings on the iPhone. So you can have a dark mode on your control center, which is this thing when you swipe down from the top right hand corner or swipe up on the older iPhones. So here, this little icon right here, that will make it into the light theme or the dark theme. So it says dark mode on. So that won't be there normally. This icon won't be here normally. We have to add it under the settings. So I'm going to go to settings, then we go to control center, and then normally it will be on this list down here of more controls. There'll be one that says dark mode, this one right here. So you find that down in the more controls and hit the green plus next to it, and that will add that extra little symbol right here to your control center. So now you'll see if I flick it onto light mode or with dark mode off and I go into TikTok, it'll be on light mode. But then when I switch to dark mode for the whole iPhone, it'll follow that, it'll go dark as well. So that's how you turn on dark mode for TikTok on the iPhone. Please like and subscribe this video if you found the content valuable. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.